These following clips, we're going to talk about removal and replacement of the vehicle's fuel filter. In this clip, we're going to talk about priming your vehicle's fuel system and inspecting for leaks. Being that we opened it, we're going to want to cycle our ignition key on and off several times. What that'll do is engage the vehicle's fuel pump, get the air out of the system, and bring it up to pressure. Like I said, about 3 or 4 times cycling the key will do an adequate job of refilling our fuel filter. They don't come filled with gasoline, unfortunately enough, so we're going to have to fill that and the rest of the system. And from there, once we got it primed, we'll inspect for any kind of leaks. The fuel system carries approximately 40 to 50 pounds of fuel pressure. If there are any flaws in the integrity, you'll notice it. There'll be fuel spraying. I'm going to step over here into the passenger compartment. And like I said, just cycle the key several times. Okay, once we cycled it several times, we're going to go ahead and take a look where we made our connections at for our filter. No leaks here and no drips coming from the inlet side. We're okay to go ahead and fire the engine.